All right, how you guys doing today? So, we are going to look at free traffic, okay? How to make hundreds of dollars a day, or how to make good amount of money online using free traffic. So, now, but before we go on, I want to give you an update, right? Because I told you that I'm going to be giving you updates if there are changes coming to the one-page funnel system, all right? So right now, the change that I see is a good one. Is a good one. A lot of people have been promoting the one-page funnel system, and they have been making some good amount of money online, and they want their money, right? So they made a request, and then the do I say the coordinator or the admin of the one-page funnel system finally said you can get your money within 2 weeks, which is good, right? You know, if you have been watching the one-page funnel video, promotional video, you see that they give you a 2 weeks guarantee. Okay, so now after the 2 weeks guarantee, you can get paid. So, which is good. So that means you are already we have started seeing a lot of people getting paid. So that means we are going to see more people getting paid now. Okay, so you are going to see based on what they sell, right? Some people maybe this week just made $30, another week made 100. So you are going to see different graduation in commissions for people, right? So that is good, because now people can get paid within 2 weeks, which is very, very good. So that a lot of people are happy about that, right? Instead of waiting for 4 weeks or 6 weeks, you actually get paid within 2 weeks. And I think from what he said also, if you made some high ticket commissions, okay, you could actually get 60% of that commission within 2 weeks too. So making people to have more money in their coffers, okay? Because look, when you make money, you want to have the money, right? It helps you to solve some few things, right? And this is a very good program. Everybody seems to be able to afford it. It's just $7. I don't get a lot of people resisting it, right? Because the price is very good. And look, when it comes to promoting things that have low tickets, right? The advantage of the one-page funnel system over other low-ticket offers is this. You get the opportunity to earn high-ticket commissions, right? And that's why I'm promoting it. Usually, I don't like low-ticket offers, but the fact that you could in high ticket commissions of $500, $1,000, based on what they are promoting on your behalf, makes me to like it more. All right. Now, some of you will be thinking, what is this one-page funnel system? Because I want to talk about traffic, right? But some people may just be here and they may be thinking, what is this one-page funnel system? Now, this is a new program that is out there. It's not actually new, but it was redone. How do you put it down? Made better, right? It was made better. Now, the one-page funnel system is a $7 CPA marketing system. Now, you have to understand what CPA means, all right? But the first thing is that it only costs $7. It's a one-time payment. It's just for your registration so that you become part of the one-page funnel system, okay? Now, so once you have paid your $7, you are going to get a link, and then you just start sharing your link on Facebook, on YouTube, on any platform out there, right? Now, another thing about this whole system is once you are sharing your link, the CPA marketing side of it comes in. Now, with CPA, it simply means cost per action. And this is where the the creator or the admin or whoever in charge of one-page funnel system, they will start promoting multiple products to your lead. They do all the email follow-up, so you don't have to follow up with anybody. You don't even have to do anything. The only one job that you have to do is to share your link, right? So that is the only job you do with the one-page funnel system. I think that's why it's very simple, and I see a lot of people promoting it right now because that's all you want to do. You want to share your link. Now, once you are sharing your link, you are going to be getting visitors coming to your link, right? Now, once these visitors sign up for the one-page funnel system, they will automatically be added to the product marketing, right? So you don't have to do all those type. The system automatically follows up with your lead and then promote multiple products to them. You don't have to buy any other thing, right? They just continue to promote to your lead. And then if you make a high ticket commission, then that's great, right? That means you are going to be able to turn $7 into $100, into $1,000. You know, that's just how the system works. So, which is good. This is the only $7 program that actually pays high ticket commission. So, that is amazing. All right. So if you want to check out the one page funnel system, I have left a link in the description above there. Okay. And also I'm going to leave another one in the comment section. But for now, there's a link above. You can click on that link, check it out. All right. And if you will go through my Facebook page, you are going to see that I keep making sales. I think I made over four or five sales yesterday. You know, it's wonderful the way the sales keep coming in and coming in, because a lot of people have been waiting for a program like this. I have been waiting for a program like this where you can earn high ticket commissions just promoting your $7 link. Is so simple, right? That's amazing. All right, so let's quickly talk about traffic. Now you have joined the one-page funnel system. You have gotten your website link. Now the only other thing that remains is for you to start sharing your link all over the internet, right? Now, there are two ways of promoting your one-page funnel link. You can do it by paid method, all right, or by free method, all right? Now, when you talk of paid method, for most brand new beginner, I will not recommend that right now, okay? But if you start making some big sales, right? If you start making some quick money, then that is good enough, then you can start venturing into the paid method. That's what I would say, because paid traffic can be psychologically defeating, right? Imagine you join the program for $7 and you have to spend hundreds of dollars to promote it. If you did not make sale, you are going to have some level of frustration. I know how it feels because I do paid traffic, so I know how it feels. So that's why with this program, if you are just starting out, I don't recommend you do a lot of paid traffic, right? Now, but I will still have to explain the benefit of paid traffic just for you to get it, right? Now, with paid traffic, you have the opportunity to make the system 100% done for you, right? Especially if you buy the traffic from the system, okay? They have what is called a done for you traffic. I bought that. So many people bought that. But that does not make us have more advantage than other people as that. So don't let it. You know, some people like to block, you know, maybe they've not made a sale, they just block themselves and assume that because they did not buy traffic, that's why they did not make a sale. That's a lie. I want to tell you 90% of my sale, 90 were from free traffic. 90. Not right now, 90% were from free traffic, right? So That's what you have to understand what that means, right? So free traffic is still the best, okay? But for when you start making some good money, I highly recommend you also add paid traffic, because the way this system works is the more traffic that you can get into the system, the more your chance of making those high ticket sales, right? And it's not easy to get a lot of traffic for free. You get good traffic, but not a lot. So the only way you can get a lot of traffic is through paid method, but you have to balance it out, right? You have to do what is called profit and loss. You don't want to make $100 and at the end of the day you have already spent over $200, right? You don't want to do that. So that is not good. So now that is paid traffic, right? So for those of you who are just new, keep away from paid traffic, right? Because it's just a $7 program. You don't want to go all out and spend a lot of money. You want to spend, very intelligently, right? Now, let's now talk about free traffic. So that is what I recommend. That's what I'm using. Like right now, I'm on Facebook Live. It's free, right? And even as we were talking, I've just made another sale. And I'm sure it's from the free traffic. It's not from any paid traffic. So you can understand what I'm talking about right now. Okay. I'm going to post the sale once I'm done with this video. But what I'm saying is this: with free traffic, you make a lot of sales too. All right. Now, the only thing is that you may not get a lot of traffic, but you get consistent sales, and which is very good, right? At least you know that your business is working and you know it's likely going to grow. And then when you start making those $100, $200, $500, you can now invest some of those money to paid traffic, so that you see if you can get the sale faster. But like I always say, it's not guaranteed. One thing I know with free traffic is high converting, and you can see how I'm getting sales almost every day. All right. Now, so like I said, free traffic is high converting, but low in number, right? Now, so where do you get this free traffic? You can get it on Facebook groups. Facebook group is very, very good for this program. So if you don't have a lot of friends on Facebook, you can promote heavily on Facebook groups. So Facebook group is really good. Now, there's also Facebook Marketplace. If you can play with the marketplace, you also do well. Another ways are Facebook Reels too. I've gotten some people coming from the Reels. That's another nice one. Then you have YouTube. Okay. I do a lot of YouTube and I've gotten sales from there too. Then you have TikTok, then Instagram. All right. Now, for me, the best ones for me has been Facebook and YouTube, right? Instagram, TikTok have not been too friendly with me. I don't know why. It's not, they've not been too friendly, but Facebook and YouTube has worked very well for me. So I'm going to double down on those two and try and get more sales. They've been working for me. So I don't know about you. It could be TikTok that will work for you. Instagram, I've not used it a lot, but I recommend that you use Instagram, because Instagram is also very powerful. I have not been doing Instagram. I think I want to create a new account for Instagram. I don't like the people that I have there, and I don't know how to get them out. You want to always focus on people that are going to buy your product. So I think the people I have on Instagram, they are more personal friends, right? Friends, family, colleagues. So I have to find a way to close that account, get all these people out, and then once I do that, then I'll create a new Instagram account and see if I can, because Instagram is also as powerful as Facebook, right? So one should try and see. So I'm going to look into Instagram in the future, but right now I'm so busy, so I'm going to focus a lot on Facebook and YouTube. So you can choose what is best for you, you know, and just use those social media for free. Remember, the product is just $7. That's all it costs you. Now, and you want to be able to make up to hundreds of dollars, to thousands of dollars, because it's a done-for-you system, right? So this is a great program where you can earn high-ticket commissions for free, literally for free, right? Because your $7 is just for your membership. It's not for product, it's not for anything. It's just for your membership, right? Now, the product is going to be promoted for you automatically. The sales are going to be done for you. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need anything. Nothing. All you need to do, pay your $7 registration fee, get your link, start sharing your link, right? And that is how the money has been coming in. All right, guys. Now, if you have questions, most of these lives, I come to try to answer questions. So you have to leave your question be in the comment section so that I can respond to it both through live or directly to you. So leave your comment below. Also, you can send me the comments on Messenger, right? And if you want to get started and join my team, I'm giving out a free bonus to people that join my team. So I'm giving them a lot of stuff as free bonus, right? I'm giving them almost 1,000 email swipes. That's more than $7, right? I'm also giving them a lot of images that they can post on Facebook and also other trainings, you know, so that they will start making money with this awesome $7 system. There's nothing like this, right? You have a $7 program that you don't have to buy any high ticket product, and you can still be able to earn high ticket commissions. There is no program like this, man. It's so powerful, and I highly recommend that you take advantage of it right now. If you go to the Facebook group, a lot of people are just making money, and they're so excited because they only spend $7, right? And they are making hundreds of dollars within days. Now, I don't guarantee you anything, but it's amazing the way it's working, right? So if you want to join this $7 one-page funnel system, I'm going to leave a link in the description above, and also going to leave another link in the comment section so that you can easily get access to it. It's very simple to join. You just click the link, get to your payment site, pay your $7, right? Once you pay your $7, you are going to have access to your dashboard. You just go to your affiliate site and get your link. It's so simple, right? And then you start sharing your link. That's how simple it is. And it's so exciting, right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.